I want to take you through this website that generates courses on the fly. So basically we can just type in the kind of course that we want and the student level that this course should address, and we can create courses. And down below we've already created some courses here, for example, managing secret keys for websites, cybersecurity for universities, Markov chains in statistics, and writing a children's book. So these courses take about 5 minutes to produce, but I want to take you through how this is authored and the architecture. So basically we're going to generate static web pages and we're going to host in GitHub. So GitHub allows us to do that. Now what this means is that we really can't run any code here, but that we can send code to the browser that the browser can run. And that browser then can reach out, for example, to another server and run code there. And in our case, what we're going to do is we're going to specify here what kind of course we want to generate. We're going to pass that to some agents that are running on Supabase. So we're using Supabase, which is meant as a database, but it can actually host agents because an agent really is not going to do much work here. So we're not going to do much compute on the Supabase server. What we're going to do is make calls to OpenAI and run a model there, such as GPT-4 or 5, to do the work of producing the course. So we're going to tell it, okay, here's the title of the course. Why don't you create some modules? And then when that answers, we may actually say, now for this module, this agent will produce the actual lessons in that module. Go to OpenAI again and run OpenAI to produce however many lessons we want. And that course data can be stored in the Supabase database. And then we can access that and distribute that from Supabase to any web server. So we could have millions of users around that are hitting this web server. Okay, so that's the setup. Let me take you through now creating a course. So we click on the button here. We want to know who the author of the course is. So this one's going to be me. And target knowledge level, let's do intermediate. And let's have the title of the course, Chat GPT Prompting. Now this is going to be hydrated. I'm going to pass this to ChatGPT, and that's going to be hydrated into a much larger description. But here, let's have the number of hours. Let's just go for a 1-hour course, and let's generate the course. So here we see the progress that we're beginning the generation here. So the first, now what's happened is it's gone to one agent, and that agent has expanded now the course into a set of modules and a set of lessons under those modules. Now we're going to fill out each of those lessons. So we'll take a look. And okay, so it completed it. That probably took about 3 minutes actually, because it was just a 1-hour course. Here you can see the modules that were generated. And now if we go back, we can see that the course has been added, GPT prompting. And if we go to it now, we can look at the lessons. So for example, what is prompt engineering? And then we go to the next lesson, importance of clarity, etc. So this is a pretty amazing capability to be able to generate courses this quickly. These can be edited actually on this site as well. So that's course generation.